think one of the interesting changes in the data space is just the rise of Python in the last, let's say, 5 or 10 years. Yeah. And so, that's been something that we brought into our product. We're very focused on, sort of wanting people to be able to leverage the best tool for the job. And I think, natural language would be another, an interface that's part of this as well. But what I think is actually important is that just having any one of these interfaces is not quite right. What you actually want to have is the ability for people to seamlessly work in any of these interfaces and work together. And I think those two things are what's been largely missing in the market. There's lots of, like the ability to run Python code. There's lots of things, notebooks. There's a million things you can run Python code. There's a million tools where, you have a SQL ID and you can run SQL. But what's we've really been focused on at Sigma is to say, how do I actually make it so the person who's using Python to build a machine learning model could take the output of that and very easily expose it to a user who then wants to, write some spreadsheet formulas and do some visualization on it. And that work could be picked up by someone who then wants to write a SQL query against it. And how do you make it so like they very easily collaborate and work together? And I think anything you can do to break down these silos and bring them all together, that's sort of what we're very passionate about.